In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund on Alibaba. We'll take it step by step so you can navigate this process with ease and confidence. First, open the Alibaba website or app on your device. This is your starting point for initiating any refund process. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. A smooth connection ensures you don't face unnecessary glitches during the refund process. Once you have Alibaba open, sign into your account. Use your credentials that you normally use for this platform. This step is crucial because accessing your account allows you to view and manage your orders. You must be signed in to make any changes or requests related to your purchases. After you're logged in, go to the My Orders section. This is where you'll find all your past and current orders. Here, you can keep track of everything you've bought. Having this organized view of your orders is essential for managing refunds effectively. It helps you find the specific order you need to address. Next up, select the order for which you want a refund. Carefully check the details to ensure you're choosing the correct one. This is important because selecting the wrong order could lead to unnecessary complications. Double-checking now saves time and hassle later on. With the correct order selected, click on Order Details. This will give you a comprehensive view of your purchase. You'll see information like the order date, items, and seller details. Understanding these details helps you communicate effectively with the seller if needed. Now, click on Apply for Refund. This option is usually prominent but can vary slightly depending on the interface. By applying for a refund, you're formally requesting your money back. This step initiates the refund process and alerts the seller to your request. After clicking Apply for Refund, select the refund reason from the list provided. Alibaba offers several predefined reasons, such as product not received or not as described. Choose the reason that best fits your situation. Being accurate here can speed up the approval process. Sellers are more likely to respond quickly when the reason is clear and specific. Follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These guides will lead you through the necessary steps to complete your refund request. You might need to provide additional information or attach supporting documents. Make sure to read each prompt carefully to avoid mistakes. Finally, click Submit to send your refund request. Once submitted, you will usually receive a confirmation message. This confirmation is your assurance that the request has been sent to the seller. Keep an eye on your email or account notifications for updates on the status of your refund. At this point, you've done everything required to request a refund on Alibaba. Remember, the seller might take some time to process your request. Patience is key here. Sellers often need to verify the details before approving a refund. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated how to refund on Alibaba. This process can seem daunting at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.